Hydrangea paniculata, what a delight. This flowering shrub, hailing from East Asia, brings a touch of the Orient to our gardens. Its name, Paniculata, refers to its distinct flower heads. These are large, cone-shaped panicles, not the globe-like blooms of other hydrangeas. Originating in China, Japan and Korea, this plant is tougher than it looks. It can withstand harsher conditions than many of its cousins. This makes it a favorite for gardeners across the globe. Now, while we often think of hydrangeas as loving shade, paniculatas are a bit different. They enjoy a good dose of sunshine, especially morning sun. But don't worry, they can tolerate some shade, especially in the afternoon. That's the beauty of this plant. It is adaptable and resilient. And one look at Hydrangea paniculata and you'll be smitten. The star of the show is undoubtedly its flower heads. These are no ordinary blooms, mind you. They are large, often reaching a foot long and bursting with colour. The colour itself is quite magical. Starting out white or cream, they mature to a beautiful blush of pink or even a deep rich red as summer progresses. This transformation adds another layer of interest to your garden. And don't forget about the leaves. The foliage provides a lovely backdrop for the flowers. The leaves are a vibrant green with a slightly serrated edge. In autumn they turn to shades of yellow and orange, prolonging the visual feast. Hydrangea paniculata is quite adaptable, but it thrives in the right conditions. Well-drained soil is key. They're not fussy about the soil pH, which is a bonus. Whether it's acidic or alkaline, they'll generally do just fine. As I mentioned earlier, these beauties love their sunshine. Aim for at least 6 hours a day, especially morning sun. Now, if you live in a particularly hot climate, a bit of afternoon shade won't go amiss. Watering is essential, especially during dry spells. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. A good layer of mulch around the base of the plant will help retain moisture and keep those roots happy. Section 4. Planting and caring for your Hydrangea paniculata. Planting your Hydrangea paniculata is a breeze. Choose a spot with plenty of space as they can grow quite large. Dig a hole twice the width of the root ball and just as deep. Gently loosen the roots and place the plant in the hole, ensuring the top of the root ball is level with the ground. Backfill with soil, firming it gently around the base, water it in well and apply a layer of mulch to help retain moisture. Pruning is best done in late winter or early spring before new growth emerges. Don't be afraid to give it a good prune. Feed your Hydrangea paniculata in spring with a balanced fertilizer. This will give it the nutrients it needs to produce those magnificent blooms. With a little care and attention, your Hydrangea paniculata will reward you with years of beauty. Section 5. The enduring allure of Hydrangea paniculata. Hydrangea paniculata is more than just a pretty face. It's a valuable addition to any garden, attracting pollinators with its bountiful blooms. Bees and butterflies simply can't resist them. And as if that wasn't enough, the dried flower heads add a touch of rustic charm to indoor arrangements. Interestingly, in Japan, Hydrangea paniculata is associated with heartfelt emotions and gratitude. It's often given as a gift to express appreciation and thanks. So there you have it, Hydrangea paniculata, a plant with beauty, resilience, and a touch of history and culture. Give it a go in your garden. You won't be disappointed.